Hey everyone, it's Bryson with ScaleTrains, and with spring on its way, that means it's time to start spring cleaning. For us, that means we have to make some more room in our warehouse for a huge upcoming shipment. This shipment will include Rivet Counter HO Scale GE ET44s, Rivet Counter HO Scale Gunderson Multi-Max Auto Racks, Operator HO Scale Pullman Standard Silverside Coal Gondolas, Fox Valley Models HO Scale PSC 70-ton ore hoppers, and Rivet Counter N-Scale Trinity 7500 high cube boxcars. Behind me is a selection of equipment that we have ready to ship to your layout today. This selection includes N-Scale GE AC 4400 CWs, N-Scale EMD SD40-2s, N-Scale Thrall 48-foot 2-hood steel coil cars, HO Scale EMD SD7s and SD9s, HO Scale EMD SD38-2s, HO Scale EMD SD40-2s, HO Scale EMD GP30s, and much more. So head on over to ScaleTrains.com to help us with our spring cleaning and make room for this new shipment. And make sure that you have your pre-orders in for any of the equipment coming later this month.